y'all, this is your girl here, Fatih. So we're going to be making some homemade butter here. I have this from our local farm here. So I went to the co-op store to get me some heavy cream. See how good that looks? Yeah. So in this big bowl, mixing bowl, I'm going to dump it in here. I already have opened this one right here. So we're just going to, right now the kids, my husband took my son out, our son out, and our daughter, she's taking a nap. So I figure this is the best time to make this butter as fast as I can before she wake up and then they show up. So the reason why this one stuck like this was, I like how that sound like. That look really good. I just love fresh cow milk, you know. They keep telling us, don't drink too much dairy, don't drink too much dairy. We need dairy, believe it or not, the good ones. So I'm gonna pop this in here like this. Look at that. Look at that fresh milk. Yes. The reason why I started making my butter is that I started having, been 5 years ago. I was 22 or 20. I'm 33 now. So I probably was in my early 20s whenever they removed my gallbladder. And since my gallbladder got removed, every time I eat like butter, and if it's not the best butter, my stomach started hurting. And then if I eat any processed ultra-processed oil, it hurt my stomach. So I decided that, you know what, let me change and start making my own butter and, you know, and find and eat olive oil, the best of the best olive oil that I can find on Amazon, you know. And it's not cheap, yo. It's not cheap. Even the best butter is not cheap to find. It's very expensive. So, and we love, my husband and I love buttering our stuff, and the kids sometimes. So I figure, why not? Oh, that's too loud. Why not figure out how to make these things on my own? So I learned online just the way I'm about to do it. So I'm not going to pretend like, oh, my mom or my dad showed me how to do this. I learned it from online. From this lady, she do online. She do like a farming, something like that. So I decided, hey, why not? So this sometimes, hopefully it don't make a lot of mess, but we'll see. I'm going to put it on low. So what I'm doing is I'm whipping the butter. I will whip it until it turns to butter. Before it turns to butter, sometimes it goes through the process of whipping cream still. So yeah. This is a good butter. It don't take that long to actually turn to a butter. This is so cool. I love making butter. Something about it just feels nice, you know what I'm saying? So if you can try one, just for the fun of it, you know? Just for the fun of it. making butter. And this going to turn to a butter. Like right now, it looks like a whipping cream. See that? Oh, I'm making a mess. So don't do what I just did and take it out of it, okay? Just keep mixing. Next time I'm going to use a different kind of bowl so that you can see it properly. You know, I'm doing it by myself. I don't have no help right now, so. Can you see? You can see it start to turn to a butter. I need a step 2. I'm not tall, so I gotta find a little step 2. Hopefully this doesn't fall. If it does, you know what? Let me turn it off for a second. There you go. I am back. Sorry about that. See the butter start to fall? See that? Yeah. So if I can do this, you can do it. Just a heavy cream, find your high quality heavy cream or whatever heavy cream you like. And you can go to a dairy farm or a local farm. And I gotta get a doing right now. I'm trying to move the butter from the edge so that they all incorporate with the, yeah. This is an exercise workout with my arm. See how the butter starts to fall? And this one gives me a buttermilk that I can use for our waffle, our pancakes that my kids like. See? You were here whenever I started it, right? I can see the buttermilk coming through. Making a mess now because the buttermilk is coming through. So, see, it's making a mess because now the butter is formed, as you can see. So I gotta get this buttermilk out, and then I'll whip it again. So, but yeah, so look, see, that's butter right there. That is butter. So what I have to do is that I am not tall. Short people. Okay, so I'm gonna put this in here like this. Hopefully it don't make a mess. And y'all, see, that's what I'm saying. Try and error. See there, butter? See it, right? This is not a good pan for this when I was making this butter, because I really want you guys to see it. So yeah, that's my butter. It's formed. So I'm gonna squeeze the buttermilk out and get the butter out, and then I'll show you the process while I'm washing it, okay? So I squeeze my butter out. So this is the buttermilk right here. As you can see, that's the buttermilk. It came from the butter itself. Oh, hopefully this doesn't fall. See? That's the buttermilk, okay? Now, this is my butter that I squeezed out from that. I thought I was recording, but I hit pause so you didn't see me squeezing the butter out. But it's all right. It's all right. So now that's my butter. So I'm going to wash it. I'm going to wash it because, again, I do not want... Oh, that water is cold. Woo! That's cold. That's cold. That's cold. That's cold. See, it's ice inside of here. So, I'm cold. Yeah. So, I'm washing it. Okay. Whenever I tell you that water is cold, that water is cold. The process is to wash it, to get all that buttermilk out. Okay. And that buttermilk right there is for baking. I am not a great baker, but I'm learning, so... Yep. See? Butter. It's not that hard, y'all. It's really not that hard. Like, it take about, like, maybe the process might take about 15 to 20 minutes. Just do it as a fun. You don't even have to use a waste, the thing that I just use. What do you call? Jeez, I can't think now. The hand messer, look, English is not my first language here. Hand messer. So that's what I use. But you can use a mason jar or a bar like this. Shake it. Well, mason jar probably use it. That bar is heavy. So a mason jar will work perfectly. Shake it, and it will give you butter. And you and your kids can do as a fun or a project. Just, just for fun. All right, see that water? I clean the butter. All right, yo. See? Voila. Are you proud of me? Because I am proud of myself. I can do this. No chemical added. Nothing. And later on, I'm about to put sugar. I'm going to, no, not sugar. Oh, yeah. You can put sugar in if you want. But mine, okay, I need this water to get cold. Mine going to be a little bit of salt. Or I can just leave it just like that unsalted. Okay. So, there you go. You have it. It's butter made by Miss Fatu, or your girl Fatu, however. So, yeah. I made it here. You made it with me. So, thank you for watching. Like and follow. And I am a mama of 2. And I love doing stuff like this. Since I had my kids, I got scared. Okay? I got scared about a lot of things in our food. I got scared a lot of things we put in our body. And I'm not condemning Anything, I eat it sometime. Shoot. Sometimes it's easier to just grab it and go, right? Because this take process. So I'm not going to sit here and say, oh, I'm never going to eat butter from the supermarket or blah, blah. No, I can't. I would never say that. But I'm saying that if I can make it, I would try my best to make certain things at home. Because then I know what's going in my body, right? And you know what is in your food. And shoot, things is expensive these days. Butter is expensive. Grocery store is expensive. Everything is expensive. So this is my way of figuring things out. And I'm figuring out day by day as I go. All right. Whew. I'm done. I think that butter is clean now. I believe it's clean. I got all that stuff out. And I need my butter because I don't want my butter to be leaving behind. There you go. Butter made by me. Fatu. Your girl Fatu did it. If you want me to show you how to make, again, let me know. My next process I will show you how to make a simple yogurt at home. Okay? Okay. Done. Butter. Made from these cans, local farms. This was a whole heavy cream. And voila, butter. Remember, you can do this at home with your family as fun events or something fun for the activity for kids or even for yourself. It's relaxing. All right, thank you now. You take care of yourself now, okay? You get me what? Butter. And these last in the refrigerator for 6 months. But trust me, this is not going to last for 6 months, okay? This is going to last maybe 2 weeks. This is the finished product of making butter. So whenever it's done, I'll put it in here. And I have this on it, and I will label it when it was made. So yeah, see how nice that is? Homemade butter. This time I didn't put any salt in it. I just like, I didn't add any salt. Next time I just add salt from the beginning. I have a sea salt, and it's not granular salt, so I just didn't feel like messing with the sea salt today. Yep, isn't that look yummy? It's fluffy, creamy, and homemade. So there you go, you got it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and follow. Talk to you later. Bye-bye now.